Want to speed up your language learning? Get access to all of our best PDF cheat sheets for free. Just click the link in the description and sign up for your free lifetime account right now.
Hi guys, welcome to Cantonese Class101.com's Top Words. Today we are in Stanley. This is Stanley, 赤柱. It's at the south part of Hong Kong Island. So this is Hong Kong Island, so this is Stanley. 漁船 fishing boat. So this is a coastal town and you can see a lot of fishing boats. 漁船 fishing boat. 漁 means fishing, 船 means boat. 呢度有紅色嘅漁船、藍色嘅漁船同埋黃色嘅漁船。There is red fishing boat, blue fishing boat, and yellow fishing boat. 美利樓 Murray House. And the next word is 美利樓. 美利樓 Murray House. It's a building built from the Victorian era, and it used to be in Central, the other district on the north side of the Hong Kong Island. And they moved it here to Stanley. And you can see this is Murray House. It's a very old style, Victorian style building. And now they put an H&M in it. So you can shop. 餐廳 restaurant. And the next word is 餐廳 restaurant. There are some restaurants along the main street, the Stanley Main Street, and they are mostly seafood restaurants. 去海鮮餐廳食海鮮. Go to a seafood restaurant to eat seafood. 海鮮 is seafood and 餐廳 is restaurant. Seafood restaurant is 海鮮餐廳. 麥當勞 McDonald's. McDonald's in Cantonese is 麥當勞. 麥當勞 very similar. 去麥當勞食早餐. Go to have breakfast at McDonald's. 去麥當勞食早餐. 龍 dragon. And the last word is dragon. 龍 dragon. This is a dragon, and you can find many dragon sculpture or painting or engravement all around Hong Kong because it represents Hong Kong. And in a sentence, dragon, 呢度有兩條龍. There are two dragons here. So that's it for today. Today we talked about some words about 赤柱 Stanley. And I'll see you again next time. 下次見.
Great work! Here's a reward. Speed up your language learning with our PDF lessons. Get all of our best PDF cheat sheets and ebooks for free. Just click the link in the description.